Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 24th, 2015, and I started checking on some of my dahlia bulbs that were dormant, and this is the old stem. As you can see, it's breaking off here, so I'll just probably cut that off then. And you can see it sprouted out here, and here's another piece of it that broke off, and it had an eye on it, so that's shooting out as well. So we are going to be planting these today. Now these will be getting transplanted, so I'm not going like with a real big container or anything. You got to put them in, you know, what your dahlia bulbs or tubers, whatever you want to call them, will fit in. I know. So put these in here. I already had some soil in it. I'm using a mix of Miracle Grow and Stay Green potting mix, and I mixed them together like half and half. So I'm just going to fill in around here. And this soil is kind of moist, but not like really wet, so I have to try and get it in between like the tubers and stuff. So I'm taking and like shaking it down. Now this is a Mystery Day dahlia here, which it's a beautiful dahlia. It's like a kind of like a purplish, reddish, pinkish color in a way with white. And this is one I do have to stake it because it will get fairly large. So let me just take this stem off then. I have to get my scissors then, take that off. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got my pruners here, nice and clean. I'll just cut that right off there. Finish filling in here. Listen, sorry about that loud thump. Put the pruners down. And you can use just, you know, like regular Miracle Grow. I put them in that already. I'm trying to save that for another project. So that's why I'm mixing the two of them right now. I have some favorite soils depending on what I'm planting. So, okay, go. I'll grab my water here and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I got my water here. Just going to, gently start watering this. Grab something else here real quick. It's not working the way that it's supposed to. There we go. So what I will do with these now is I will put them over in my growing area. It's a well-lit area. I'm not going to put them right under my right under my lights just yet, because they don't need it yet. So as soon as it starts coming up, as soon as the shoot starts coming up out of the ground, I'll put them right under the lights so it gets the light that it needs for it to grow shorter. Okay, so I got this watered here, and the water ran out the bottom, and you don't want these to be too wet or like too soggy or anything like that. You want them in like well-drained soil, so you don't want to overwater them because you can rot the tubers on them. I actually had some on this that did rot, so I took those off, or they dried out. So I took those off before I even planted it because I didn't want to have any issues with anything. And I'm going to take this over to my growing area. Now I'm not going to put it directly under my lights just yet because it didn't come up through the soil yet. So it's warmer over in the growing area, and as soon as I see the shoots start coming up through the soil, then I'll put it under one of my lights. I use the fluorescent lights. You can use either sunshine or daylight bulbs. I prefer the daylight ones. That's the ones I use the most. I do use the sunshine ones too. It's just kind of whatever the store has that I buy. The plant light bulbs, I never liked those. I wasn't happy with the growth. I wasn't happy with my results, so I switched. And my light's on for 14 hours a day. Now, if you want to help speed this up some, you could kind of cover it to keep some of the heat in. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put it over in the growing area. It's warmer over there, and just let it come up on its own because it already sprouted for us. So, if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below, and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. It'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!